The digital twin, a topic that is for sure on GEMÜ's agenda, and I'd like to talk about that with Dr. Jörg Merlan. Hi, Jörg.
Hi, Doro.
Digital twin is a must, right? What is GEMÜ doing in that field?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Digitalization is a fascinating field, and GEMÜ is already doing a lot of things in this field. We developed several digital services, and all of those services are based on the digital twin. But we don't want to stop there. We want to build new technologies on top of that, and we're looking for new concepts that we can implement to build software that is manufacturer independent, available.
There is a lot of data created by the customers, by the plant operators, and this data has to be sorted?
Yes, somehow. That's the point. Normally, you have proprietary software that does the job. Let me show you a small, simple example, like a maintenance for plant. A lot of tasks are manually done, starting from the planning of the maintenance, the execution, of course, and the documentation at the end. And digitalization helps here to automate all the steps. But then you get a lot of data silos, different data structures, interfaces.
Yes, all has to be managed then.
Yes, and then the customer or the operator has to manage all that. And there's the time where AAS, the Asset Administration Shell, kicks in. The AAS is some sort of standard, or is about to become a standard in the industry, where different manufacturers can easily exchange the data. The operator has better capabilities for their asset management. So for all the participants and stakeholders, it's getting much easier.
Is GEMÜ ready for that new regulation?
Yes, of course. We are already developing AAS files, and all our equipment, all our components are AAS ready.
Perfect. So future is going to be exciting, Jörg, huh?
Of course, right.
We look forward to it. Thanks for all the insights.
Thank you.
Bye.